Welcome to the Spring Chicks card class. In this class, we're going to be creating 3 fun cards with a spring chick theme using a stamp set that I absolutely love using because it's just so fun and quirky. Let me go show you what we're going to be doing. So these are the cards that we're going to be creating in this class. We're going to be doing one with a watercolor technique. Look at those googly eyes, aren't they fun? And then we're going to be doing one with a technique that's perfect for people that don't like coloring in images. We're going to be using some printed papers for that. And it's a great way also to use up a bunch of different scraps. And then we're going to use some opaque markers, and I'll show you how to color and stamp them. There's a little bit of a different technique behind it, but it is fun and they just come out so nice and bright and vibrant. So this class does come with a supply list. It's going to list everything that we're using throughout the class, and they're also linked to where you can find your supplies to help you in order to help you source them. These chicks are absolutely fun and quirky, and they're just adorable to play with. So let's go make some cards and have fun and celebrate spring.